been removed, it's important that you do not lose the two pieces that come on top of the washing machine. Firstly, we have a dust cover, which we need to put in a safe place for later on. Some instructions and guides on how to install your washing machine. Step-by-step process of how to connect both the water, the plug and the plumbing. Open the door. Remove the items. Your new washing machine comes with a new hose for the water supply and an accessories pack which has your instruction book in as well. You may notice with your new washing machine there may be some small condensation on the window. Don't be worried, all of our washing machines are fully tested whilst they're in the factory to make sure they don't leak and they work properly. Remove the 4 transit bolts which are at the rear of the washing machine. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you don't remove these transit bolts and you put it onto a spin, your machine will dance around the kitchen and cause a lot of damage to your flooring. Remove the base polystyrene by lifting the appliance off the base. Tilt the machine forward. Take your base panel. Locate this front edge of your machine and use the fastening to push it in. Now we're going to move our washing machine close to where we're going to install into our kitchen. Take the waste pipe with the crook pushed on. Push down into our waste pipe. Take our inlet pipe, connect to the washing machine until hand tight, connect the other end to the water pipe. Again, all the way till it's hand tight. Once this is on, turn on the water. If you move your machine and it wobbles at all, go down to the front feet on either side of the washing machine, and if there's a slight gap underneath one of the feet, lower that down with your fingers until there is no gap. The only thing left to do is plug your machine in to the nearest socket. We don't recommend the use of any extension leads for plugging in washing machines.
Great we can all wash at lower temperatures these days. It cuts our energy bills and, well, it's good for the environment. The only problem with lower temperature washing is that it can encourage a build-up of bacteria and moulds. They find a home in the sticky detergent residues left inside the machine after washing, and that's when the bad smell starts. And if you live in a hard water area, limescale is another problem you'll have. It slowly builds up inside your machine, just like in a kettle. All that sludge builds up in places we never see. Inside the door seal, the drum, the heating element, in the filter unit, and in the drain hose. The good news is there's a really simple way to keep your machine clean on the inside and kill smells for good. It's called Care and Protect Cleaner and Limescale Remover by Hoover. All you have to do is pop the contents of one sachet into the empty drum, select a 60-degree wash program, and away it goes. All that dirt and limescale is flushed out, taking smelly germs and mould with it. One pack of Care and Protect Cleaner and Limescale Remover gives you 12 sachets. That's a whole year's supply. Use them in a monthly maintenance wash and your machine will stay hygienically clean and limescale free. So your washing always smells fresh. And your machine will work more efficiently too, saving you a bit more money. So there you go. Care and Protect Cleaner and Limescale Remover. Life made easier, cleaner and safer by Hoover.